Hi, I'm Kristen. This is Wimmels of My Hair, and I really kind of ended up with some extensions that I didn't really want to buy, but I bought them because I had a movie and I thought I was going to be doing, and then I didn't end up doing it. So I have this like pack of curly hair extensions, and I thought to myself, well, that would be cool to, you know, see if I could do it on my hair. So let's try it. And I've never tried this before, so yeah. No, I mean, I've never tried this package of extensions before. I never tried these particular ones, and I don't mean the brand, although the brand too, but the color and style. Like, this is a style I normally wouldn't buy. Super dark in here, so I don't know if you can see how, like, ooh, it's like a brown. Go with this? Possibly, yes. So these are from Amazon. Oh no, they're not. You know what I've been doing lately is I've been like finding it on Amazon, and then if it's cheaper on Temu, I get it. But I don't like to buy a lot of stuff, you know? So anyway, not encouraging buying tons of stuff. Definitely not encouraging that. So here's a good back waft. This is just gonna look stupid on me. Yeah. See how they're like super curly and that? Yeah, I wanna get that. All right, let's try it out. So kind of like in the dark and that, it looks like it would look good. I don't know if I can reach so much this back part. Just gonna do a kind of section here, kind of sectioning. Oh, here's it. So this. So my head, this side, for some reason, you know, has more hair. Doesn't look too way off. So I'm just gonna come around like that instead of doing the band like that in the back, because yeah, that's how I can do it right now. So I might have to curl this. I don't want to, because the beauty of extensions is that you don't have to do the heat on your hair. So let's try this side. So it's kind of cool to know that, like, with these three ones, like a three by one, like I don't have like a huge, I shouldn't say you know, my head isn't that big. So these 2 3s that I can meet somewhere in the middle there is just easier than trying to put a 4 back there. And by a 4 or a 3, I mean clips, like how many clips are in it. Ooh. Always remember to stretch them out, because sometimes I just, when I'm feeling around, it's like, ah, voila, woohoo. And again, I'm just blending it. Ooh, voila. It's looking like not a bad color at all. Likey. This is a change up. I don't know what I'm talking about. So what am I left with here? I'm left with, okay, I'm left with 3 2s and that 4 that I probably won't use. So 3 2s, okay. Okay, oh, I can't, Smexy. Yeah, remember that, Smexy? Let me figure out how I'm going to style it. Right now I'm going to put like some frizzies on the back of it, and then let's see what the back ended up looking like. Ooh. I think, like, you know, to take advantage of the no heat style, I'm just gonna pull these top pieces back. Yeah. All right, I actually like it. And I like the curls like right here. So I'm gonna like put this one back too. And now that I know that the back, at least, I mean, I don't know if you guys like it, but I didn't think it was that bad. I mean, you can't see clips or anything, so that's really good. Oh my gosh, it is like another style, and I didn't know. Thank you. Yeah, I think this works for me. It's like super easy, and there's something friendly about curly hair, you know? Like, it's kind of friendly, like casual.